Today I'm going to be reviewing Vgate vLinker FS USB Adapter. This is what you're going to plug into your computer. This is going to give you faster connection. Vgate also has Bluetooth versions that you can easily plug in. This is something that they had also sent me. This is compatible with FORSCAN, which is going to cover the Ford vehicles. This is designed for Ford, Lincoln, Mazda, and Mercury. It covers 99% of the cars after 2000 and 92% after 96 for OBD2. So why would you want this over their Bluetooth version? This is going to give you a much faster connection and a lot more information. And it is backwards compatible with Windows. You're going to need Windows. You're going to need the app and the software to be able to run this. You can connect it into your computer with a USB-A. If you only have C, you can get an adapter and use that. This does really well. 4.7 stars, over 2,700 ratings. And last month, October 2025, over 1,000 plus of these were sold. So, people are liking it, people are buying it, and they're not returning it. So if you're looking for something like this, this is the one you're going to want to get. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.